Hi, I'm Grant and I'm the CTO of Amplio. One thing that 2020 did was to rewrite the rules between employers and employees. The landscape has dramatically changed as we all learn how to deal with the shared trauma of the pandemic. Employers need to be willing to deal with this and figure out how to step in and help. In a recent Paychex survey, 40% of employees said that they either had mental, performance, or attitude issues over the course of the pandemic. 60% of those surveyed said they would be interested in having their employers step in and help when it made sense. The problem is that often employers don't know when there's actually a problem, and by the time they figure it out, it's too late. So at Amplio, we've developed our product Amplio-ai as a solution to this problem. We integrate and collect data across multiple biometric and psychometric dimensions in order to build advanced AI solutions that allow employees to understand when they need help and whether or not that help is having the intended impact. At the same time, employers don't know how their employees are feeling. And by the time they figure it out, it's too late. And so we've built an organizational dashboard that helps employers keep their finger on the pulse of their organizations by showing them when to intervene and whether or not those interventions are having the intended impact. Now, this is especially important for key employees in hard to replace jobs, especially in highly technical ones like cyber, finance, and healthcare. Keeping these employees happy and healthy is the key to preventing burnout. Retaining them means understanding what they need to be successful and then helping them get it. This is why we believe we serve such a large TAM. We believe that every organization would be improved by incorporating us into their wellness programs. But our focus SOM is in markets where there are highly specialized jobs experiencing high rates of turnover. Now, we're different from our competitors who tend to focus on one or two narrow areas. We believe that problems manifest themselves in multifaceted ways, and to truly help people, we have to deal with the whole person. This has been reinforced by our pilots. First, with Major League Baseball players, where we learned that getting ready for the game is more than just being physically rested. With the Department of Defense, we learned what it takes to get ready and stay ready, especially when you're under large amounts of constant stress, and how that stress impacts the entire person beyond just their mind. And we're currently in the process of setting up 2 new pilots where we're going to learn how to get employees back to work after the pandemic. Now, we have an incredible team, starting with our CEO, Trung Tran, who knows how to build products and take them to market. Then with myself as a CTO, who knows how to build AI systems with over 10 years of experience in this area. We also have a deep bench in the human performance space, with Dr. Andy Walsh and Chris Talley on the physical side, and Drs. Elizabeth Johnson and Michael Platt on the cognitive side. With a bench this deep, we can't help but be successful. So thanks for your time, and remember, at Amplio, we want you to be ready.